Hello, welcome back to my channel. Please give this video a like, and if you've not already subscribed, please subscribe. Today I'm in Milford Haven and South Wales to see the Puffins at Skomer, and Milford Haven, what can I say? It's got a large harbour, and I think it's famous, without googling it, for gas and for oil. There's a refinery over there. This is my trip to Skomer Island. Follow me on my adventure today to take some pictures of some of the amazing puffins. Toilets, swallows. Wow, first. Okay, so I've checked in at the hut, visitor's hut, and you get a golden ticket that gets you on the boat at 10 o'clock. You've got to be there 10 minutes before, so I'm setting off at 10 o'clock, so I've got to be there at 9:50. There's a boat just left just to take people onto the island for the next couple of days. That then comes back, and then we get on at around about 9:50. Checked in. So I'm back on the mainland in Milford Haven, and that boat just brought us back from Skomer Island. To sum up today, it went really quickly. It goes really fast. 5 hours, it's more like 3.5 hours that you've got, because the time we walk there to the Wick and back and at a briefing, it eats into the time. So that boat's going off to get some more people, bring them back, and yeah, overall we've got some great puffin shots, I hope. End of this video if you want to flick now and see them. I'm now off to Tenby to do the Green Bridge and other bits and bobs along there, maybe do a bit of Astro because it's such a clear sky at the moment, and yeah, the adventure continues. Well, today I've spent much of the day at Skomer photographing the puffins, and thought I'll go to Tenby and photograph some stuff there, and then I'll go to Green Bridge and St Govan's Chapel, and that'll round me day off nicely. Maybe get some Astro stuff above St Govan's. But no, I didn't check the firing timetable for the British Army, and these 2 weeks that I'm sat in at the minute visiting South Wales is their intense training weeks. So I'm now at Stumble Head near Fishguard, and I've come for sunset. I've taken a few shots just as the sun was going down behind the lighthouse, so we'll see how this goes. No one else here. I'm in this World War II kind of lookout place. Don't exactly know what it was, I think just a lookout for enemy planes and craft. So gonna try again, and wow, I am a bit burnt from today. So yeah, pictures at the end. Unfortunately not the Green Bridge and St Govan's Chapel as I thought I would, but these things set to trials, and we've got to overcome these challenges and change locations. Always have a location backup plan, and this is my backup plan. It took me an hour to get here, but I'm here for sunset.